We have everything it takes to renew our economy. And if you listen, you hear, and this is, as a reporter, this is kind of one thing you do. You kind of hear spatterings all over the place. But what we don't have is a shared vision, and I think we can have a shared vision. And so as I'm reaching out to different people within the industry and within the community, I'm saying we could be the international leader in renewable energy, and that can not only take us through out of this recession, it can take us into the next century with prosperity and give us the third leg. We've talked about diversity for, I don't know, 100 years now, but we haven't had what it takes to get there. This is something that will draw people to Nevada. If we can invest more, not less, but more in higher education, and make sure that we release the creativity from those departments that are doing the research on geothermal technology and in solar technology. Let them build their programs, draw in additional people from across the country, across the world that are cutting edge leaders in that field. Start training that personnel to come out of the college so that we have the most trained personnel in the world in renewable energy. That'll bring industry, that'll bring manufacturing, that'll bring all of the prosperity, that'll bring jobs for construction, for Crescent Hardy's firm. That will bring all of us out of that. And it will give a place for people like my son to land when he gets a job. That's really important to renew Nevada. There's no reason that we have to be in this recession for the next 50 years. But we will be if we don't make the right choices in this legislative session, and if we don't put the right people in place that know how to make that happen. We need to pull together as a community, we need to pull together as a state, and create a new vision for our state, which is very much there. I've been, again, talking to business leaders and community leaders throughout the state, and they want this as well. We can make this happen. We can make sure that if you do elect me, then I can go to the state legislature and say, I have the wind behind me on this issue. My community is behind me on this, and we'll do what it takes to get this done. We can recreate Nevada into a bright, shining future that we can all benefit from. Thank you very much.